Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to recognize multiple PDF files text using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software. Now click on this tools option and select an OCR and OCR option. Now click on this recognize text in multiple files. Click here and select add files. And select this one. Also this one and this one. Now select open and see this. Select OK. Keep original files name and same folder selected registered or any folder. Override existing file. OK. And select your language. I select English US. Also you can say output as an exact. Now select OK and see this. This is now progressing. Yeah, our OCR now completed, and go your folder and this one and see this text recognition now completed. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.